Ban Son was once a peaceful village in the hills 70 miles north of Vientiane. But 2 years ago, Site 272, as it's now called, became the new center of operations for the war. At 7:30 every morning, the Americans arrive, commuting from Vientiane. "900 flights a day land here. Most bring war supplies and fresh troops for General Vang Pao's army. Others bring food for the Mao refugees. For the Mao, Ban Son is a crossroads. The refugees wait here in the hope of a lift back to their villages. From here, the soldiers are flown to their mountain outposts, and the dead are brought from the battlefront back to their families.
My little brother, what can I do? I will never be able to forget you. Where are you, my little brother, my little orphan? Ah, my little brother, if only I had foreseen your death, I would never have allowed you to go away. I would have forced you to stay with me always. You are dead, my little brother. How will I ever be able to forget you? Ah, my little brother, why were you not born a girl? Then you could not have gone away to war. You would have stayed with me, and you would not now be dead. Ah, my little brother, there were many soldiers in your band, but luck was not with you. My little brother, little orphan, we cannot stay brothers together forever. My poor little brother could not remain with me all of my life. You are dead. Your body decays and melts forever into the earth. The country is troubled and rotten. Even if we could not have made a living together, we could have lived on distant mountains and received news of each other. Now I am alone like an orphan. We were poor. There was no way for us to make our living. We have no land anymore. I am left an orphan on this painful earth. I have no younger brother to come and help me when I am in need. Our soldiers are only a barrier. We are a fence to protect people of other races. Fighting has overrun the country. We have no homes left, and my little brother is dead. He is no longer with me. We have entered the way of misery.
Hey!